Yeah, stand. Keep your legs front. Yes, nice.
Hi, sir is going to topic India in the 21st century. So let me start with the government changes and the policy changes.
Sachin did really well and help you out.
Thank you.
So don't use. Yeah, start.
Whether the social media is good or the bad. So it depends on our perspective, how we use it. If we use it for the knowledge getting purpose or the informative purpose, you are looking for the opportunities, it is very good. And if you are wasting time in the social media for scrolling or for binge watching and using for other stuff which is waste of your time, it will be very bad. And thank you, this is Sriya.
And again, you have big round of applause. Lovely.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. BK Dhoop, Dr. Purni, Anjuji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. Day, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in, first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line. And if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.